career, along with the amazing academics that they're getting through the Davis College at Texas Tech University, is setting them up for lifelong success.
My first day at the internship, I was a little nervous, but immediately became a comfortable work environment and everybody started to feel like family. This internship has allowed me to grow my network. I've met Red Stiegel, who is a very influential figure in the ranching industry, and even just made those close connections with my peers and the fellow interns. Not only have the Davis College and the National Ranching Heritage Center given me a home away from home, they've given me opportunities to learn and grow.
The National Ranching Heritage Center represents real ranches, their real stories, and real heritage. One word to describe the intern experience at the National Ranching Heritage Center is
enriching,
foundational,
immersive,
unique,
impactful,
priceless.